Our presentation is going to be about artificial intelligence in the supply chain management. We're going to describe three main characteristics, which are production, forecasting demand, and transportation. First of all, what is artificial intelligence? This can be defined as machines with human intelligence. They can mimic human capabilities and learn as a job is done as a human can do. Once, machines were used to replace highly repetitive and labor-intensive jobs. With artificial intelligence, machines can replace critical thinking jobs and take decisions by themselves. This is a tool which has the capability to collect data from circumstances and provide accurate data and analysis that can help the company to be more proactive and, like this, reducing costs.
How can artificial intelligence contribute to a supply chain? The supply chain is the network between a company and its suppliers to produce and distribute a specific product to the final buyer. Along this chain, there are several possibilities where AI can optimize the overall profit. We want to look at three possibilities in detail. First, let's have a look at the manufacturer. In the manufacturing, predictive maintenance is a very promising approach. AI in general is always based on large amounts of data. In the factories, this data is collected from various machines, sensors and switches, everything which through failure could lead to a stop of production and therefore cause a delay in the supply chain. This data is analyzed in real time by intelligent algorithms, which anticipate the equipment failure before it happens. The faulty equipment can now be changed before it leads to a stop of production. Through predictive maintenance, the production is less volatile and the supply chain is more predictable. The theory behind it is quite simple. If the standard deviation of the lead time can be reduced, the standard deviation of the demand during the lead time also reduces. This leads to a smaller safety stock, which means the inventory cost can be minimized. Solutions for predictive maintenance are developing fast and are offered by all big players in the market. IBM, Siemens and GE all invest a lot in the research and development of predictive maintenance solutions.
If we want to talk about artificial intelligence in transportation, we have to know that the logistics have been changing and is getting more accurate. Now the vehicles, shipments and systems are connected throughout real-time information and live vehicle tracking. One example to this is the Amazon's ability to deliver packages to a person's door in under 2 hours. Amazon is able to do this thanks to three main reasons. The first one is that Amazon has a huge use of robots. As of January 2017, Amazon had more than 45,000 warehouse robots and counting. Robots in warehouses are faster and more accurate than humans. The second reason is that Amazon is moving warehouses closer to customers, and they are analyzing the data and the demand of each customer and trying to put warehouses with specific products for each of the customers. So the warehouses are more accurate and closer to the right customers. The third reason is that Amazon is using its own transportation methods for same-day or 1-hour delivery, which are the most important ones. All these three reasons helps Amazon reduce its lead time and to reduce its costs of transportation. Talking about the new applications of artificial intelligence in transportation, we have to talk about Love. This is a company which studies traffic patterns and optimizes business practices, such as sending out police forces only during peak rush hours and having maintenance crews repair roads. Love is a sensor which delivers accurate pedestrian and vehicle analytics that enable business and cities to be more successful. Even though driverless vehicles are being used right now, they are still prohibited in many countries and states. This is because the regulations are not clear. So many companies like Google, Tesla, and Ford that were the first ones to develop driverless vehicles are still trying to show authorities that these vehicles are safe enough. On June, Amazon said that it was a matter of months before they start to deliver packages with drones. Amazon executive Jeff Wilke said that the drone will be able to travel 15 miles to carry packages within 2.3 kilograms or less. This will be a huge success for Amazon because the drones will be faster and they will consume less energy because they will have a direct route.
How can artificial intelligence contribute to the retailer? Artificial intelligence is used in demand planning to generate forecasts of sales. Artificial intelligence has allowed companies to track live different variables such as current and future prices, weather, holidays, events, and even data from Google Analytics. Thanks to these new technologies, companies now can have up-to-date, dynamic, monthly, weekly, or even daily demand forecasts. An example of this is Unified Demand Forecast in SAP Customer Activity Repository. New technologies now allow live point-of-sale data tracking, and artificial intelligence allows to process all this new data. Overall, these information systems have enabled increases in forecast accuracy, and with better forecasts, uncertainty decreases, and therefore less safety stock is needed. Overall, artificial intelligence has improved supply chain efficiency and is expected to continue to do so in the upcoming years.